friends, it's Awilda here. Thank you so much for joining me. So in today's video, it's going to be a quick little video update on our kitchen progress so far. Right now, my husband and I are trying to do some finishing touches to the kitchen as far as adding trim and also the baseboard and painting it, plus a few miscellaneous items. So if you are interested to see our progress, definitely keep on watching. And if you guys are just here for cleaning and other motivational videos, I will be having another video out shortly, maybe I believe Thursday. I'm planning to have another video out, so if you are on the lookout for those, definitely come back Thursday. So for now, just enjoy this quick little 5-minute video of my husband putting the trim up in our kitchen. So as you can see here, we are putting up the top trim has already been placed. We cut that in a 45-degree angle, and now my husband Harvey is just adding the side pieces to the doorway, and we just used a very basic white I believe they're pre-painted or pre-primed trim, and we also have the pre-primed baseboards. It just makes it easier for us to kind of like put it together quickly. So when it's time to paint it, we just have to do 2 coats of the bright white paint. Now, as you can see here, he's using one of these, I think they're called countersinks. I'm not too sure, but he had these for a few years. He gets them at Home Depot, and he's just going around the trim and the baseboard, making sure that all of the nails went in all the way, so that way when we apply some of the wood putty into those holes, it would fill nicely and you don't see any nails sticking out from our trim. And here he's just showing you the different size countersinks that he has for his projects. Now here he's just cleaning up the area. He had already pre-cut the baseboard down in the garage, and unfortunately I couldn't film that because it was really dark, and no matter what we tried, it was just too dark to be able to see any footage. So we're just showing you here that he did measure them, and then he cut the pieces down and is adding the baseboard in the kitchen. So here we're just going through and making sure after we filled our holes or our nails with the wood filler, we went in and just smooth out all the areas, make sure we have it ready for painting. And we're also filling some of the trim with some silicone. This is white latex silicone that we're using, and this is something you can use to paint over, and you're not going to see any of the divide between the old trim and the new. This helps the trim pieces become a little more seamless, and it becomes like one whole piece instead of having cracks everywhere. Once we allowed all the wood putty and the silicone to be dried out, we just basically sanded it down some more, making sure it was super smooth, and then we just painted it with some ultra bright white paint that we had from previous projects that we used throughout the house on our trim. And basically that's it. So here is an image of what it looks like after. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider leaving me a thumbs up, and if you have any requests for future videos, please let me know in the comments down below. And until next time guys, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!